Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. You all are welcome to see our video. In this video, we will talk about a platform named ActBlue and find out is ActBlue legit or not. Guys, you all must have heard about fundraising, and around 20 years ago, you need to struggle a lot to raise funds for any good deed. Even donation was also a difficult task. As of now, you can donate online. There are many non-profit organizations out raising donations online, and ActBlue is one of them. It is a non-profit organization, and this non-profit online platform is designed to help Democratic candidates raise funds. The organization has come up with a great idea of getting money from individuals' wallet into Democratic campaign in an easy way. Guys, as you can see, the website is beautifully designed and they have covered each and every point you require to know about the fundraising tool. Guys, in 2006 midterm election cycle, ActBlue raised around $17 million for Democratic candidates, and over time, ActBlue has added more features to make the fundraising process easier for politicians. Let's have a look at the features, guys. They have mentioned that one of the most attractive feature is quick setup. You can easily set up this digital fundraising system. Then friendly support, you will get full support from the team. ActBlue Express Lane, you can read it and you will come to know what all they are offering as their features. You can fundraise on mobile also. So many features they have, guys. Security system is also there. Let's find out more about the company, and you'll get the information on this About Us page. Guys, the company works on a motto, small dollars, big change, which means you can donate even $5 in the Democratic campaign, which will come up as a big change for the world. Now, guys, if I talk about public opinion on ActBlue, most say that it is a great platform for raising small donors and making them feel equivalently powerful as big donors. Guys, people say that when you donate on ActBlue, your money straight away goes to the candidate or the organization mentioned on the form, and ActBlue display everything clearly that at which campaign your money has been donated. So you don't have to worry about the money and it goes straight away to the right place. One more thing organization has mentioned, which is it's working. As it is a non-profit organization, they only cost 3.95% processing fee on every donation. Apart from that, nothing is charged from you guys. The joining process is also mentioned here. Let's see the contact us page. You will find plenty of information on the contact us page also. You can contact the organization through email or phone number, and guys, the address is also authentic. Well guys, I have gone through the website deeply and I come to know that it is a legit platform to donate. So if you are willing to donate for any Democratic campaign, you must donate at ActBlue. Guys, if you like my information, please hit the like button, share your experience with us on the comment box, And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.